My name is Malyco Mizumura, and this is my house called Malycote in Yoyogi-Uehara. Mostly I design hotels and housing, sometimes stores and also events too. I always want to do my renovation because I'm an interior designer and I always design for everyone, but not for me. So this house was separated in one bedroom and one dining room, but I took all the walls and make it one big space. I always wanted to put a big round table in the middle of my apartment so that we can always sit around and talk and eat together. So I always wanted to have a big square-shaped room and enough lighting from outside so that I could feel the sunlight and see the night view. So the big window and enough space for the round table was one of my important things. So this is a decoration space and I love fragrance, so this is a perfumes area. And on the back there's a little books, and this is for recipes when I cook, for food and drinks. So I like to collect all the dishes like this. So I picked all the dishes from here and bring to the kitchen. So this side is storage, but when you come this side, you'll see the hidden refrigerator. This is my living room area, and I like to sit on this couch and I like to watch the projector on this wall and relax. And this is the table I designed and I actually built. This is my tatami area, a little bit lifted up so you will feel the ceiling a little bit lower. And I always sleep here using futon, but when I take it off, there's tatami here, so we can relax with friends without futon. So now I moved the futon, and this is the normal tatami area. And my idea was I wanted to have much storage, so I made some space here underneath, like this. So if you open it up here, you can have so many things underneath the tatami area. If we have the storage on the wall, the room will feel narrow. So my idea was having storage underneath the tatami like this. This is the veranda outside. I wanted to make as a terrace, so I made wooden floor like this and then made some little counter table so that I can enjoy coffee in the morning. This is the big round table in the center of my house. This is important because I have a big family. I had a memory of having dinner all together in a round table, so I made it like this. Actually, I made by myself, cutting the piece round and paint and sanding. One of my friends told me, you can use my factory one day, so I borrowed that space and made it. So I think the inspiration all came from my life experience. Like when I was having dinner or lunch with all my family. Also, I wanted to have tatami place because I'm Japanese and I always have a little Japanese space at my family's house. So even for this small space, I always wanted to have like a similar experience. And then like the sofa, couch, and the wall for the movies. This is something I had found when I was staying at hotels. I thought, this is nice. So lots of memories from my traveling, the memories with my families and friends came to this room idea. So this is my closet and mirror area. I always put my clothes here and pick up my outfit and check my outfit here with this mirror. So the depth of the closet I made as a little dresser room, and I use the mirror sliding over here and do the makeup. This is the kitchen area. I selected a big industrial sink, and I don't want to worry how much I mess it up. I wanted to have big sink with big kitchen. This is the shelf that I made next to the sink. It's for oven and glasses and cutleries.
Is that umeboshi down there?
Yes, this is the umeboshi I actually made by myself.
So you like to make a lot of things.
Yes, I made umeboshi and miso, so I eat every day. And then the last one is the shelf I brought from my old house. This apartment is almost 47 years old. So this is the door from the existing house. I wanted to keep something so that I can continue the history. So this is one of the items I kept. And this is the open space for bathroom and washing area. This is the sink. I prepared the wooden parts, but the carpenter built it for me because they know more about the sink. And then I painted and then I finished it. I think I like to invite people because I always wanted to set up all my favorite dishes, vases, and cooked for my friends and everyone. It's a similar thing when I'm designing as an interior designer, preparing the space and interior and making people happy. So I think I like to do as my private time too.